What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you aren't, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you know if I ever upload a new video. So today I'm going to be working on the 240 and I already started, but to be honest, the car does not start. There's no power at all. I'll turn the key, no lights come on, literally no power, like it's completely dead. And I've got a new battery, so the battery's good. Alternator's good, starter's good, and then I changed the starter relay, no power. So I started reading on the forums and it said to change a 75A fuse if you had no power. So I changed that today and I don't know if it's going to start, and if it doesn't start after that fuse, then I don't know, but I'm trying to figure it out on my own. So I'm gonna try and jump the car and hopefully it turns on, or hopefully it does something, because it's not doing anything and I'm literally lost on it. And my girlfriend also bought me clear taillights and I'm super excited because they're so cute on the 240. So I'm gonna change those today and install those and see how it looks with my wrap. But I'll give you guys a little teaser. I'm gonna be changing the wrap color and the whole body, to be honest. So I'm gonna get a new body kit and a new wing, everything, new color. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with changing the tail lights first and then wait for the body kit and everything to come in. But today we're gonna be putting on new tail lights. So I'm kind of like changing a car around and making it like completely different, and it doesn't even run, but eventually it's gonna run. So hopefully it starts today. And Juju's cleaning her car right now because it was kind of dirty, and let me show you guys it. My camera's dirty. Did you do your other wheel already?
No, I didn't touch them.
Oh. They're hecka dirtier now. But you use glass cleaner, and I didn't know you used glass cleaner until somebody told me about it. And you told me. I wish I knew how to unlock this, but I'm gonna start with changing the taillights out. I need to wait for the cars to be able to turn around so I can jump the car. So I'm just going ahead and change these out so you guys already know what they look like before. And this is my first time changing them, so it's kind of pretty common sense, and you can kind of see where the bolts are anyways. So I'm gonna get the tools and everything that I need and show you guys before of what the tail lights look like now on the car, and then I'm gonna show you guys the clear ones that, like I said, my girlfriend got me. Okay, there's like 1, 2, 3 bolts, and then you unclip that and it comes out. Like that, so ew. One side, I didn't bolt it, but do you think it's cuter than the other ones? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Way cuter, huh?
Yeah, where's the keys?
In the car. It already looks so much cuter. Basically, it's really super easy. I already clipped the light back in, and then I'm gonna put the 3 bolts back in. But I feel like when you take something apart, honestly, what I do is I look at where the bolts are holding on to, and then I take it off and put it on the same way. That's just what I do. And I hope the other side's easy because these were already loose. Like I said earlier in this video, I'm gonna be taking apart this entire car and I'm gonna sand it down completely, because to be honest, every time I try to post a video, it really doesn't go as planned. Like, it never gets uploaded, or I never like finish it. And there's,
I'm gonna take them tomorrow morning.
tomorrow morning,
Because the lighting is bad here.
the sun's not hitting it. And I'm not gonna be able to take this light off because I don't have a stupid Why are you not inviting me? Yeah, I do want to come. Huh?
I'm gonna just take them on this
You could just black it right there and look like there's a window. It looks so cute. Doesn't it? Guess who bought them? You're gonna be on this, so you better make yourself look how you want to look. Guess who bought them? Guess who bought them? My girlfriend bought them. We're gonna go take pictures of her car. We can find good lighting, but the only issue is there's no sun. Well, kind of right there. There's no sun, and the driver window doesn't go up because of me. When we were doing her interior, I took the door panel off, and then I accidentally broke the clips to the door panel. So my fat self was trying to put it on, and I started kicking it, and then the window motor, pretty sure it went out, and then I tried replacing that, everything, and it's still freaking. I don't know. You should have went by the park. Yeah, so the window won't go up, only the passenger side, but hopefully eventually we can fix it. No sun?
No.
Oh, ready? I'm gonna slam it on the floor and crack it. Should I? Yeah. Okay, here's the after, but the only thing is, like, dumbass car doesn't even drive still, or turn on, I mean. Like, it's hecka weird, because look, this turned on, like the light, and then if I put the key in, nothing turns on but that little light. So to be honest, I don't know what's wrong with this car. I've changed a lot on it already, and it still doesn't freaking turn on. So that's really it for this video. It kind of sucked, but at least I got clear taillights, but the car doesn't even freaking turn on. So I'm gonna have to think about what I'm gonna change next, honestly. And I changed a lot of the fuses, but yeah. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.